Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Lost opportunity on India losing Chabahar project. India's loss in failing to develop the Chabahar port project in Iran might be China's gain. Right from the beginning of its tenure, the government has underlined the geostrategic importance it attaches to the Chabahar port project. The project, signed in 2003, has been a symbol of traditionally important India Iran ties, connected by sea lanes to ports on India's west. Chabahar would form the fulcrum of India's outreach to Russia and Central Asia, enhancing connectivity, energy supplies, and trade. Given that Pakistan had blocked Indian aid to Afghanistan and all trade over land, Chabahar provided India an alternative to permanently bypass its troublesome neighbor. As a result, the government fast tracked plans for the project, and in 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Tehran to sign a trilateral trade and transit agreement with Iranian President Hassan Rouhani and Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani. According to the MOUs, India would be granted a 10-year lease to develop and operate two terminals and five berths, access to Chabahar Free Trade Zone, and the opportunity to build the 628-kilometer rail line from Chabahar to Jihadin, just across the border from Afghanistan. The government acted quickly to develop Chabahar port facilities, sent exports to Afghanistan in 2018, and has moved over 500,000 tons of cargo, including grains and food supplies for Afghanistan again through the port. However, the rail line has never taken off for a number of reasons, despite a commitment from state owned Ircon to undertake its construction at an estimated $1.6 billion, while contract changes by the Iranian side and delayed responses from the Indian side were part of the problem. The main hurdle has been the fear of American penalties. Even though India was able to negotiate a sanctions waiver for the Chabahar port and rail line from the US, few international construction and equipment partners were willing to sign on to the project. New Delhi has also dragged its feet on the matter. After appeals to India, including one issued by its Foreign Minister Javed Zarif when he visited Delhi in January this year, Iran decided to go on its own by beginning to lay tracks for the line connecting Chabahar to Afghanistan and Turkmenistan last week. Regardless of the reasons for India's inability to join the railway project, the decision can only be seen as an opportunity lost. The impression that India wavered due to US pressure, especially after India cancelled oil imports from Iran, also questions New Delhi's commitment to strategic autonomy. While Iran claims it will fund the railway using its own resources, It seems to have embarked on the Chabahar Zahedan project with a confidence born from an eminent deal with China for a 25-year $400 billion strategic partnership on infrastructure, connectivity, and energy projects. In a world where connectivity is seen as the new currency, India's loss could well become China's gain, and New Delhi must watch this space created by its exit closely. Stop. Thank you.